Now moving on, Cooperative Bank Group CEO Gideon Muriuki has been conferred with a third honorary doctorate in recognition of his contribution to the financial services industry. Muriuki was conferred the honorary Doctorate of Humane Letters by the Africa International University for steering the lender out of loss-making 2 decades ago to profitability. Here are the details of this and other stories in our corporate briefs.
In 2001, Cooperative Bank recorded a historic 2.3 billion shilling loss, prompting a leadership overhaul including the appointment of Gideon Muriuki as CEO to avoid complete collapse. A little over 2 decades later, the bank's total assets increased from 24 billion shillings in 2001 to over 600 billion Kenyan shillings currently. Africa International University has conferred with an honorary Doctorate of Humane Letters for turning around the lender's fortunes and his positive impact on the banking industry.
The process of overcoming this setback was a classical definition of having faith over fear, and this has been the secret behind the achievements at Cooperative Bank. Beyond putting together a great cohesive team.
Meanwhile, water and sanitation technology firms are pushing for the adoption of new water recycling technology, especially in public institutions, to avoid water wastage. Xylem says rehabilitating the old sanitation systems used in a majority of schools would save on resources and promote sustainability. Finally, the government plans to construct at least 100 dams across the country in plans to encourage year-round farming to enhance food production. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mithika Linturi is urging Kenyans to increase investments in agriculture for food security and to generate income.
This is the only way to ensure that we become productive. It's the only way to ensure we all participate towards ensuring there is food for each one of us, because food is now a challenge and we must all work together. Each one of us has a responsibility.
Speaking at the Kenya Meat Commission facility in Mombasa, Linturi commended the military for their exemplary work at the facility. Ibak Said for Easy Friday.